Now we will be talking about cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is what cells do to break up sugars into a form that the cell can use as energy. The equation for cellular respiration is six oxygens, 6 carbons, 12 hydrogens, 6 oxygens, ATP energy, 6 carbons, 2 oxygens, 6 hydrogens, and 6 oxygens. Oxygen and glucose are both reactants to the process of cellular respiration. The waste products of cellular respiration include carbon dioxide and water, and H2O. Prokaryotic cells carry out cellular respiration within the cytoplasm of the inner surfaces of the cells. Energy is released in this product through waste of biochemical energy from nutrients into adenosine triphosphate. This process occurs in both plants and animal cells. The 3 stages of cellular respiration are glycolysis, the citric acid cycle, and electron transport chain. Glycolysis is the breakdown of glucose by enzymes releasing energy and pyruvic acid. The citric acid cycle is a sequence of reactants by which most of the living cells generate energy. During the process of aerobic respiration, citric acid cycle takes place in the mitochondria, consuming oxygen, producing CO2 and H2O, as waste products and converting ADP to energy-rich ATP. Lastly, the electron transport chain is a series of compounds that transfers electrons from electron donors to electron acceptors via red Sox reactions and couples this electron transfers with the transfer of protons across the membrane. Glycolysis takes place in the cytoplasm. The citric acid cycle and the electron transport chain phospholipid takes place in the inner membrane of the mitochondria. And the fall is known as the cristae. The reactants for glycolysis are 2 ATP, 2 NAD+, 4 ADP, and the products are 2 pyruvic acid, 2 ADP, 2 NADH, 4 ATP. The reactants for the citric acid cycle are 6 NAD+, 2 FAD, 2 ADP. The reactants are 4 CO2, 6 NADH, 2 FAD plus 2 ADP. The reactants are 4 CO2, 6 NADH, 4 FADH2, 2 ATP. The reactants for ETC are 10 NADH, 2 FADH2, oxygen, and the products being 34 ATP, H2O, 10 NAD+, and 2 FAD+.